Hey folks, John Thompson, Spring Framework Guru. So I want to welcome you to my Spring DevOps course for Amazon Web Services. We're going to have a lot of fun in this course. And we're going to go out of from just doing Spring development, but to look at the whole DevOps lifecycle. So when you get Spring running in an enterprise, you get into a lot of very complex things. So it's not like you're running a WordPress server running on a single database. In the enterprise, you're going to have to deal with multiple environments. You have your dev environment. You're going to have a test environment, or some organizations call it a QA environment, sometimes a UAT environment, pre-production environment, and then finally a production environment. And each one of these environments will have different settings, different IP addresses, different servers and web services that they depend on. And Spring is very well suited to that. So we're going to start off in the course looking at the features in Spring that allows us to control how Spring wires itself up. So in development, we might want an H2 database. In test, we might want to use MySQL. In production, we might want to use Oracle. And this is all feasible within the Spring framework to do things like this. But you have to know how to work with things like Spring Profiles. So we'll start there. And then later in the course, we'll start using cloud services through AWS, where we'll provision servers. We'll create a Jenkins server, set up our CI builds. We'll provision servers for running the application. We'll provision things for the database. We'll use database services in AWS. So we're going to have a lot of fun in this course. I'm pretty excited about it. And I think you're going to get a lot of value from this. You'll start seeing the true power of Spring and why it's so popular in the enterprise to build enterprise class applications and a very large scale application as well.